To let the Isaac communicate with the ROS1, they have provided the ROS bridges. If I go to the window and click on the extensions, and in the extensions window, if I search for the ROS, here you will see that they are providing ROS1 and ROS2 bridge. Since we are not going to do ROS2 today, I'm not going to open the ROS2 bridge, but it's already there, so you can just open it also. But the ROS1 bridge is enabling us to talk to the ROS in your computer, okay? So you should enable it and check the auto load, so you don't have to every time come to this page and open it. And with the auto load, every time you start the Isaac sim, it will come through. All right, and let's close this. And let me open the code for you. Yep. So this is in another workspace, but I will provide this code so you don't have to write it, or you can just rewrite it like, but it's very simple code. So what we are doing here is that we are just importing the ROS, the sensor messages from the Joy, and publishing the join states and the Ackermann drive messages, of course. So we will need some steering angle velocity, so to be able to just control the how fast we would like to turn, rotate our steering, and the acceleration, and then the jerk, the derivative of the acceleration, so it should be provided, and the Ackermann message that we have to send. I will create it here, and I would like to explain you some calculation here, because later we will need it, so I just left it here if you like to just check it. Let me So 2 pi r of the our wheels circumference, it makes 0.314 meter. Okay, if we would like our car to go with the 30 kilometer an hour, this means that 8.33 meter per second, and dividing the 8.33 to the circumference of the wheel, we will see that 26.5 radians per second is necessary. Okay, we can say 30 or maybe 27 radians per second in order to achieve that speed. So, okay, later I will explain why we need this calculation. You will see why. But and then in order to fill the message, we have to subscribe to the Joy message. And when I just checked my Logitech F710, then I saw that right trigger is axis 5, left trigger is axis 2, and left stick is axis 0. So the throttle command is coming from the right trigger and the left trigger. So right trigger is going forward and left trigger is going reverse. And only the left joystick is for the steering, so the axis 0 is sufficient. And in the main loop, I'm just creating a node, very simple, with the 50 Hertz publish rate or loop rate, and I just look for the joy messages under the joy callback, and I'm advertising to Ackermann command. I will show you where you should be checking for this topic name. And when it's okay, I will just fill the Ackermann message and publish to the Isaac sim, and or just normally I will publish, but the Isaac sim will be listening. And I will just quickly show you where you should be looking for the topic in the Isaac. In the Isaac, under the ROS1 subscribe message, Ackermann, on the right side, you will see the topic name. So these two topic names should be the same, okay? Otherwise, you won't be able to communicate with the Isaac. And I think that's all for the ROS1 topics. I'm not going very deep with the ROS1. I'm sure you already know a lot of things about the ROS already. and there are a lot of tutorials about the ROS itself, so this is not a ROS 1 focused tutorial. So let's finish this video and go with in the next one. I will show you how to drive with the written code. Okay, see you in the next video.